Hello there, my growing pals. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, guys, I want to share with you some of the things that I have been using in my garden as markers. Originally I was using the one that I got at the Family Dollar and the dollar store. Yes, they are very inexpensive, but they do not last long. They will break easily and they can be misplaced very easily. So I am always trying to find ways how to save money in my garden. So what I did, guys, I started using the detergent bottles that I have. So I am actually hoarding these now. I hardly throw them out. So guys, I'm just trying to cut the side, one side of the detergent bottle right now. Alright, you don't have to use any lines. You just go ahead and cut it freehand, because it's just a marker, guys. All you will be doing is to write on it. It doesn't need to be done perfectly. Alright. Woo. And it looks like I had some soap left in there. Look at that. Oh yeah, I have a little. Alright, guys, so there we go. The first side do have some detergent on it, but that's okay. You can always wash it off. And of course, you might have all got the picture already. So after you cut it, you will be cutting it again to the desired size that you want to use in the garden. You can either use it this way, like I did in the past. I would write the name of the vegetable or whatever you're growing in a specific area. You'll just write it on this side and then you'll stick it down in the ground. Or you'll just go ahead and cut them like this. You can use it this way, or if you want to go ahead and make it a little bit more fancy, you can just cut it like this to have the pointed part to stick it down in the soil. Alright, and guys, I think I might have to go and wash no, as a matter of fact, I do have some that I already made. So alright, say for example you write on one of these markers, right? Oh wow, my hand is very slippery now. Okay, say you write on one of the markers, guys, January 30th 2023. Today is not the 30th. And you write carrots. Alright, say for example you wrote that on the marker and you change your mind, you want to use it for something else, or you want to repurpose it in another area. You get a piece of cotton ball with some alcohol on it, and all you have to do is just to wipe it clean like that. Just wipe it clean, and there you have a clean marker to use in another area of your garden. Alright, so you can start saving money on your markers now and use that money to buy something else. Buy some soil, buy some more seeds, just buy other stuff that you need to use in your garden. Alright, so let me now show you some of the other things that I have been using in my garden to use as markers. So here I have a Coffee Mate bottle. I would take the covers off sometimes and I would write on it, stick it down in the ground. I also use the Country Crock bottle covers. I write on these as well, stick it down in the ground. Alright, I have this cover from a little bucket that I got at Publix, and here is a bigger one. So this one can actually be used in a bigger area where you can write multiple dates like January 17, 23 carrots, January 30th, 2023 kale, and so on and so forth. So in a bigger area, you would write on a bigger cover like this and make a list of the things that you're growing in that particular area to remind you of what you're actually growing there. And even if the wind blow these away, guys, you can find them very easily, and I can guarantee you they're not even going to go far. But the smaller ones that we normally buy, nope. They are gone with the wind. All right, guys. Oh, I have one more thing. I also have this tile, guys. I found this tile lying around. Not just this one. I think I found a few of them. And I would just go ahead and write whatever I am growing on them and just stick it in the area. See? If you don't break these, guys, you can have these as markers for years and years to come. And you can even do it the same way how you did the white one. You can write a list of the things that you're growing on the side, and the date goes in that way. And yeah, so we have to utilize our home trash and repurpose, recycle them for garden treasures. Don't throw them out. They are very, very useful. All right, guys, so after I was done making my markers, I went ahead and I used the remaining portion of the bottle to make this trowel. See, I can use it to scoop up soil, and you can use this section as a funnel, so you can set it down in a container to pour whatever you want to pour down in this area. So this is actually 2-in-1. So it has 2 funnel section. You will take the cap off to use it in a bigger area, and this section in smaller areas. So it's like, it's a 3-in-1. Multi-purpose trowel made from a detergent bottle. Isn't this awesome? All right, guys. So I will see you soon with something new. Ciao.